Okay, so now we will remove the coil and just wiggle out the high tension distributor wire going to the center of the distributor. And we'll use a 10mm socket. And if you need to just not start turning, not in the back, and just use a 10mm open end wrench or combination wrench to hold that nut. It usually doesn't, so. And if it turns, you can just hold it by hand. What I do, I leave that one there, and I loosen the bottom one. And leave that one last to just to hold it in place until I'm ready to remove it. And that nut, it's kind of hard to get a hold on it, so it's you can use a magnet if you think you're going to lose it and drop it. I've used a small telescoping magnet to get that nut. And the telescoping magnet will let you hold on to it without losing it. And then the connector, just push on it, and then push on the connector, and then pull. Like so. We'll get our new coil on it. Click in the connector. It's usually easier to do it this connector once you have it removed. Just click it in till it clicks. You get the bottom bolt. It's easy to get the bottom bolt and nut in place first. And then we'll get out the top bolt. Then we'll tighten our bolts. And if you need to, you can use again a combination or open end wrench on that back on that back nut. And I'm using the Titan Tools Hexa drive set. It's pretty small, and the ratchet has short clicks. It's really nice to use on confined areas. Get those tight, and we'll reconnect our high tension bleed. And there we are.
And I think that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. And as always, try to stay clean. Just try.